Another beautiful babe, Devious, comes to live with Maiden Mike. Tell you all about her and how hot she is. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. Welcome back, my lovely brothers and sisters. Welcome back into Maiden Mike's world of collectibles. Are you guys hearing that? Those are not missiles being launched. That's Maiden Mike launching another video and doing what he does, showing you it first, right here, right now. All right, guys, I don't know how it works out that way, but for some reason, I seem to find myself being the first one to always reveal something new. Except for that Black Panther, just a year late. I don't know how it works out that way. I just think, people ask me about it, I just think it's karma, that's all. You do good, you get good. That's it, guys. All right, guys. We got a special one in Maiden Mike's world today. Sideshow Poison Ivy. The controversial one. Sideshow did a couple of things different with this. They released a couple of Poison Ivories, caught everybody off guard. I'd like to say one real pretty one and one real evil one. But no one saw the variants coming. I did. That's why I held out for the variants. I think Poison Ivy, Ivory, you guys making fun of my New York accent. No more. I got it right, okay? Ivy, she's here, the deadly one. So, did it cause some problems? Did it piss people off? Yeah, but you know what? These companies can do what they want. You just got to keep your ears glued to these companies and then use your best judgment on what angle you think they're going to go with something. And that's what I did in the two variants of the Poison Ivories that were kind of pre-ordered real close together. Being that they both only had, I believe, 200 pieces. So they're special. They're going to be special. They're going to have a high resale value. But me, Maiden Mike, would you sell that? Let's dive in. Let's check her out. Enough of me talking. Let's get into her. Let's see if she's as deadly as she looks. There goes the box, guys. It's a long, slender box. Not much to it. I lied. There you go. Deadly nature. Well, let's crack her open. Let's see how awesome she truly is. There we go, guys. Looks like she comes in a lot of little parts. So let's take it out of there, put it together for you, and we'll show you how awesome she is. Okay, guys, let's get a step back view of her. Yeah, even the big chaps looking at her saying, damn. All right, let's dive in head first. Before I get going into this, there's a lot of pieces. You 200 people that got this, that were lucky enough to get this item. A lot of stuff going on with little branches and stuff like that. Guys and girls, please be careful. I did not see any directions, so I kind of used my best judgment, and I think I got it. But I definitely will not transport her until I take some pieces off. All right, let me take you through some pieces here. You got a head, you got the body, obviously you got the base, a lot of branches, 2 arms, branches over here that you got to put in first, slide the arm in. So a lot of delicate pieces on this piece, so be careful. Okay, let's go. Let's get into this portrait right away. She's stunning. Look at the gloss on the lipstick, man. Nice, absolutely nice. Nice flow to the hair. It's hard to get the eyes because of the arm. Let's try to zip in the best we can. I'm gonna zoom in, guys, for you so you can get a good view of the eyes. Yes, very, very deadly and seductive. I love the gloss on the lips. Just looks so realistic. All right. All right, let's spin her head around. She's got some dust back there. Nice flow to the hair. Comes way down. Step back, guys, so I don't want to hit her arm. Start knocking stuff over before I even get through the review. All right, portrait looks great. I didn't expect anything different. Okay, let's make our way down. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time here, guys. She has her little necklace on. This deadly one is definitely different from the last one that Sideshow released, which I said before is a softer version, but still a phenomenal, beautiful version of Poison Ivy. But I think this one is a little more my style because it's deadly, it's evil. Nice details. Let's look at the hand. And we'll dig into the base too, guys. I love the position of the hand. I love the way the fingers are in attack mode. Looks nice. Okay. This was the little, not really difficult, but if you didn't know what you were doing, or you couldn't figure it out, the branch has to go on first, and then you got to slide her arm through this to connect. So let's get you guys back in focus there. So if you guys are like me and like to move statues around and rearrange your room, I would definitely be careful on the arm part of it. Knowing me, I won't, and I'll drop it. Let's hope not. Let's hope not, guys. All right, let's check down her leg. Looking good. Looking really, really good. All right, coming down the leg, the buttocks, hamstring. What I like about this, she's kind of like, her foot is not touching the base, so she's basically in air. She's got the one leg on the branch. And it is secure, so she's pretty damn secure. Let's look at the foot. The little creases inside the foot, give it that realistic appearance. Oh yeah, pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Okay, let's touch a little on the base, because like I said, guys, I don't want to go too long on you guys. A lot of you guys saying, you newbies saying, oh, he talks too much. So, shit. Guys, newbies, you don't like it, that's what I do here. All right. Okay, let's get into this base a little bit. You can really see the branch looks alive too. You can see, which looks like veins and stuff through it. Looks great. A lot of work on this statue. I can see maybe that's why they only released 200 of them. Be a pain in the butt. Okay, let's dig into the bottom of the base. A lot of stuff going on, teeth and everything. Looks really, really cool. Teeth look very realistic. You got skulls down there. Really nice. Really well done. So much going on. All right, guys, that's going to be it today. Stay tuned. Made in Mike's World is going to be blowing up videos, man, left and right in 2024, hopefully. If I get the time to do it and I got the product, I got some great products coming in this year. It's going to be one fantastic year in Maiden Mike's world. All right, guys, let me step back, give you one last view of her, turn around. And all right, guys, you tell me if she is as fantastic as I think she is, or am I just being biased because I was one of the lucky 200 that got her? Peace, my brothers and sisters. You stay safe, please, always. A message from Maiden Mike. And take care of your animals.